Size limit.
Oh, they're fucking scared, boys.
Yeah, there's too many Rexes.
That Lambo's gone.
There's too many Tyrant's Roars is what's going on.
I can't use my debuff.
Like, if you use Tyrant's Roar, you guys would fucking destroy them. And there's the meat.
I got this fucking styro up my ass. Motherfucking Lambo.
Fuck.
Get that Lambo.
Oh, they're on speed.
You guys use your Tyrant's Roars?
I used my Rumble. I was using my Rumble, but no, none of them pop Tyrants.
Alright, one trike down. Pretty hurt.
Strike down. Fuck away from me. What you got there?
That was hilarious.
Bobby fucking moved.
Oh, that fucking Lambo. Let me get that Lambo. I'm fast enough. Oh, is it Rex attacking us? Rex attacking. Rex. Coming in for a big chomp.
We need Rex.
Fuck.
They got an enemy Rex.
I'm fucked up. Oh, they got a chicken too. Great.
Turn around, weapon. Fucking idiot.
I stomped another chicken to death. I'm almost dead. Fuck. I died. Bled to death. I did.
Fucking